who's up for a length retention challenge? Hey guys, so I'm gonna try to make this a really quick video. This is probably the most impromptu video I'm ever gonna make. I didn't plan to do this. I just got out of the shower, and in there I just had an epiphany that I need to take you all on this journey with me, so that's what I'm doing. So I hopped right out and turned the camera on. So basically I am about to do a length retention challenge, and I'm doing them with these braids. This is actually not how I wear these braids. I usually wear them back like this, but for the sake of the video and for you to have something to look at because you can't see anything right there, I just put them in these two little braids. So I've been wanting to do a length retention challenge for a while, but I just didn't know how to go about it. I wanted everything to be perfect, but we can just do it. I decided to do my hair in individual braids. I want to call them mini braids, but they're not really mini. Well, they are the size of mini braids, but my hair is thin, which I keep telling people because a lot of people consider my hair thick. It's only thick in its natural state. When it's condensed like this, my hair is thin, because people with actual thick hair, when their hair is like this, it still looks voluminous, it still looks thick. You don't see as many parts and stuff, and that's what I be trying to tell people. When my hair is straightened, is thin. Anyway, so I decided on these individual braids because I was going to get knotless box braids professionally done, but I didn't want to pay $200. And then I was kind of doing research and watching other people's videos, people who were successful in doing this or retaining a lot of length with braids, did them with their own hair or they did them with human hair. And I didn't want to pay $200 and spend a lot of money buying human hair. So I just decided to do it on my own hair. I would probably only wear them in a bun or in a ponytail anyway, and my hair is long enough to do that and still look decent. So I decided to just do the braids on my own hair, and so far I actually really like it. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of them down and a clip of them in a ponytail. I'm not even gonna embarrass myself. I will never wear them down. My hair is not thick enough for that. I solely wear them in a ponytail to the back or in a bun, or you know, something with them put up in some type of style. But yeah, like I said, I was thinking on doing these braids for a minute, but again, I was gonna do them with like human hair and get them professionally done. Then I saw the video from Razor Impress, and I'm gonna show you guys her picture of what hers look like versus what mine look like, and it's no comparison. Like that right there, that's thick hair. My hair is shameless sitting next to hers. Like, in fact, just take the picture down because we don't need that type of energy. Anyway, after I saw her video, I was like, okay, I'm doing it. Like, my seed was already planted. I just needed somebody to water it, and her video basically just watered it for me. So I didn't record myself putting these in because I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to do an individual braid. And I actually recorded what I did to my hair prior to putting these in. That's the video I just posted, which is my wash day routine 2020 or whatever I named it. I'll go ahead and link my wash day below. If you haven't seen it, you can go check it out. Literally after I did the 2 flat twists and wore that for a day, I took them down and I installed these. All I did was add a little more of the melanin multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. I think I got that right. All I did was add some of the melanin leave-in and braided it up. Very simple, nothing fancy. Okay, so this challenge is going to last 3 months initially. I feel like if I do really good, that I'm gonna do it for the rest of the year because there's nothing else to do. And I decided to bring you all along with me because this is the perfect time to actually do something like this, because all of you should be in the house unless you are going to work or commuting to something that you have to go to. Being self-quarantined or everything is closed down, you don't have anywhere to go, your kids are out of school, you might not have to go to work. It's the perfect time. You don't have to see, well, some people don't have to see anybody. I still have to go to work. But I can wear my hair like this at work, so it's not a problem for me. But a lot of you who do have that issue where you don't want to join in with a lot of these styles because you work in a certain industry or field where you can't really do styles like this or any other styles, this is the perfect opportunity if you're at home doing nothing to gain a little length out of the deal. So yeah, this isn't taking any of the seriousness out of what's happening. This is just redirecting some of that unused energy elsewhere. And I mean, if you have extra time, you can do a lot of things. You can work out every day, you can try to break a bad habit, or you can try to retain a few inches. Like, I mean, do whatever you need to do to better yourself. If you have all of this extra time on your hands, let's get some inches out of this. Let's capitalize on this problem. So I'll come in periodically and show you guys updates on this length retention challenge. And I think that's it, really. Like I said, this was really impromptu. I don't have a lot to say, I don't think. I wasn't prepared for this. And I really hate not being prepared, but what are you gonna do? That's what impromptu is. So the maintenance on these, I really don't plan on doing much. I am still going to wash my hair every week. I'm gonna deep condition every week. After every wash day, I plan on redoing 1 to 2 rows of braids. So basically every month, my whole head will eventually end up being redone. If this goes well, I'm going to continue to do it for the remainder of the year and see how much hair I can retain. I am so excited. When I post up with inches, I don't want y'all to be like, how, when, where. Like, I'm showing you guys right now what I'm about to do. My hair is gonna be like this, put up for basically ever. Or at least until I just can't stand this anymore. Hair is still flat enough for me to pin it up and be able to wear a wig for if I want to go out and switch it up. I have a natural hair wig and I have like a loose wavy wig, so that's enough for me if I want to switch it up. But really, I don't even plan on doing that because it's not necessary. I'm not going anywhere. I have no plans for the rest of the year. At this point, I think I'm just repeating myself and or rambling, which I do not like either. So I'm just gonna shut up now. So I hope you all join me on this length retention journey. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to check out the description box for extra information. And I'll see you guys all in another one.